while I am waiting for the wife, we have a cool product to test out by RPM Tesla. We got Vinny in the back, and we got the meatball in the back as well. And someone is sleeping. So today's product is the RPM Tesla Cubby drawer. Let's give this sucker a try, shall we? Let's check out installation. It should be pretty simple and straightforward. Before we do anything, that's 99% of the install right there. But what keeps it from popping all the way out? RPM Tesla has given us some bumper stopper. So maximum desired opening distance, I guess, would be right there. Any more, it's going to fall out. So the back right corner. Huh, there we go. Makes sense. Then stick the top drawer in the cubby hole. Place the second on the left side, as far away as possible from the right. I think I can do that too. And with any sticky style product, press, and that's it. So let's see what we can fit in here. What do we got? We have some McDonald's trick-or-treat coupons. We have rewards cards for haircuts. Saku Japan teriyaki chicken. Oh, let's see. Oh, more McDonald's trick-or-treat coupons. Great for a little snack. We have our library cards. Why we need so many library cards, I don't know. Let's see, we got glass cleaner, Bluetooth ear. That's pretty good. Kept a lot of clutter out of there, and of course, remote control for my camera. Yep. Almost there. It's not bad. Stayed in there pretty good. I like the big handle on it. So neat product. It's by RPM Tesla. Links in the description box below. And yeah, it's a nice addition to the car.